um, probationary officer interview in Karnataka Bank, in Federal Bank. So what you want to say, you can tell in broken English also, not a problem. You are very good in Hindi, but here many of them don't follow Hindi. So whatever you
Okay.
want to tell them, please tell.
My suggestion to those aspirants who are preparing for PO, be consistent, be punctual, and be confident. And if we work hard to achieve any profession, and if there is something in our mind that we have to go there, then absolutely we will go there, because we have to think first to achieve that goal. And once we start thinking, then we achieve that. So be work, and be punctual, be honest to yourself. So my suggestion is this.
Yeah. No. What is the job role of a probationary officer? उसको बता दीजिए.
Job role of a, yes sir, job role of a probationary option, maybe anything, like he maybe work or she maybe work as a asset officer, as a credit analyst, as a relationship officer, as a customer service executive, anything. A bank may do any work like trade finance, might like they may give you treasury department, uh, currency
The- But
chest,
but
anything.
mo- but most of them they are going for sales and acquisition. That is, it is not relationship. Here they
Mhm.
give 60% work as a sales acquisition and 40% desk work. So in sales acquisition, how to
Mhm.
succeed? What tricks would you like to tell them?
Uh, for a for a sales, I think it is a very important to remember that to be touch with a customer and to take references for adding new people. So it is very important, and sales is a very good thing, because when we go to somebody, it may be that I'm going to somebody's shop to visit. Firstly, I will introduce her. This is myself, and I'm from this bank. And when you introduce yourself, you will firstly you will feel that no, there's some they you will feel ashamed of sometimes. You are If you are a probationary officer and you are going to someone for opening of account or for sourcing of a loan, but after 2 to 3 days or 4 days or for 1 month or 2 months, you will think that this is the best job, because when you go there, then firstly you may not get recognition, you may not get any advantages, but when you go again and again, then you will feel that people are liking you, people are showing belief on you. So it is a very good thing, sir. Sales is a very good thing, because sales is a thing because we are taking a business outsource outside to our bank. So
Yeah,
this is the very important thing.
very good. Now, in your branch, I think you may not be having more of this about fintechs. How fintechs are used by banks for improving their business. Do you have any idea about it? Because you are not into
I do
IT.
have idea, but
You are not into
uh,
IT. Yeah,
yes, unable to convince. Yeah,
unable to tell. Doesn't matter. Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes.
thank you, sir. Thank you for
Yeah.
giving
Now,
your
if you
time.
want, yeah, if you want, you can stay with me. I'll
I'm
be with,
fortunate to talk with you.
yeah,
It is my pleasure.
thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
I'll be
Okay,
with these children for some more time before my
okay,
going
sir.
for my breakfast. So if you want, you can stay. And if you want to go, you can go. No
Okay, sir.
problem. Okay.
Okay.
I'll be
Thank you so
putting
much, sir.
questions, asking and clarifying their questions also. Okay. Very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. Now, candidates, let me go for the questions that I would like to ask you. Now, Federal Bank people, please come. Federal Bank people, please raise your hand. Federal Bank people, raise your hand. Yeah. Arvans, your Federal Bank?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So
Good.
Federal Bank and IDBI Bank is also coming in my campus.
Acha, good, good, good,
Yes, sir.
excellent. Now you see how nicely that gentleman has told about his bank.
Yes, yes,
How proud is he about his bank? So
yes, definitely.
you can also try to join and improve your chances. Mr.
Yes,
Harvansh
yes,
Das.
yes, sir.
So please tell me what is the total business of our bank as on 30th September? Did you
Sir, I don't know, sir.
you don't know? What have you studied? Tell me.
Sir, I am pursuing marketing right now,
Hmm.
and I have done bachelor's in commerce accountancy specialization.
ट्रू बट आपने अभी इंटरव्यू का वजह से जो मटेरियल हमने दिया है इसको
हाँ
रख
सर.
के क्या क्या पढ़ा है
Sir, I have prepared about my CV first because they are going to ask from my CV from internship, from my marketing technical course. Why do you wanted to join Federal? Why I am wanted to work in the uh, BFSI sector? So that I am preparing right now.
now sh- do you know where the details I am asking is available they are available very much in the material given by
Yes, yes,
me to you know that
yes, I know, sir.
so why not we read it once and try to remember it please read
Okay, sir.
Federal Bank quarter 2 results as on
Fed,
30th September please read
yeah. Federal Bank quarter two result as on 30th. Uh, Sir, I'm not able to clarify the coding that you have written.
It is not. It's not seen on the screen.
Yes, I think, but what does 30092 means?
30th September
Okay,
2024.
okay, 38 September. Okay.
30th. 30 तारीख.
Yes, sir. So it is written like 300.
Yeah, 30. उसका बाद
Oh,
में 09.
okay, 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 sir.
Month को 09 बोल रहे हैं.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
The month of
So,
October means 10. Yeah, yeah. Tell
okay,
me.
sir. So after that, the total business of the bank is 4.99 lakh crore. The total deposit is 2.69 lakh crore. And talking about the net advances is rupee 2.30 lakh crore. Quarterly net profit at the rate uh,
Other no
1056.
no other rate जरूरत नहीं.
Okay, sir.
Actually,
So quarterly
without
net profit.
my knowledge, it has come there. 1 minute. I'm just correcting it.
Okay, sir.
I think it is not. I am not able to correct it.
Sir,
Editing.
no problem, sir. I will not pronounce it.
Yeah, yeah. Please tell me. Quarterly net
So,
profit 1056.69. Then
huh,
ROA. Yeah.
return over assets for quarter two stood at 1.28%, and ROE is 13.65%.
What is
And
expansion of ROE?
sir, don't know, sir.
You are MBA student. You must tell me return on equity.
Return on equity. Okay, sir.
ROA का मतलब क्या है?
Return on assets.
Good. Continue. Next.
And the gross net performing assets and the net performing assets is 2.09% and 0.57 respectively. After that, the share price of Federal Bank is as on 23 January 2025 is 190.90. The market capitalization of Federal Bank is rupees 467.42 billion. The
Billion.
C
What do you understand by billion?
so billion means 100 crore,
Very good. Continue. CRA.
and CRAR
Hmm.
is capital risk weightage assets ratio is 15.20, and the net worth of the bank is rupees 31108.20 crore.
Good. Excellent. So this much will do. Now we will read Karnataka Bank also. Karnataka Bank people, have you come? Anybody from Karnataka Bank? Please read these things. Karnataka. Who is there online? Karnataka. Pritika, you are going for Karnataka or federal?
Karnataka, sir.
Karnataka. Karnataka, why don't you read this information? Please read. Are you seeing on the screen?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Total business of the bank is rupees 1.71 lakh crores, sir.
Hmm.
Total deposit rupees 99,967.99 crores.
You can say 1 lakh crore roughly.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Total
continue.
net advances 75,316.09 crores.
So 1 minute here, there is a mistake. I should have put
Okay, sir.
here 1.74. Continue. Total net
CD
advances. Yeah, over. CD ratio.
CD ratio 75.34%.
You know what is meant by CD ratio? Credit deposit ratio.
Credit of deposits, sir.
Credit and deposit. Loans and also deposit ratio. Then what is CASA?
Current account and savings account ratio, sir.
Yeah, I have discussed in detail with that gentleman from IDBI. It is there in the video. Listen to that CASA ratio. What is CASA ratio?
Yes,
Why
sir.
banks are after
Current
CASA ratio? Yeah, I have already told that. What is the quarterly net profit?
336.07 crores, sir.
Okay, continue.
Return of assets for quarter 2 stood at 1.13% and return of equity stood at 20.35%.
Return of
Gross
nahi.
NPA.
No, you should not say return of.
Okay, sir.
Return on. ON.
Okay, sir.
You are not a commerce student. That's why you are telling mistake. Now read properly. GNPA.
GNPA, gross NPA. Gross NPA and net NPA at 3.21% and 1.46% respectively.
Many candidates
Tier
ask
1
me,
capital is
sir, should we remember? You have to remember. No other go. Continue. Tier 1 capital.
Tier 1 capital is equal to 15.93%. Karnataka Bank share price was on 20 Feb 2025, rupees 192. Market capitalization approximately 72 billion. Cash credit risk weighted asset ratio, capital risk weighted asset ratio 17.58%. Provision coverage ratio 80.14%.
Good. Thank you. Now we
Okay,
will
sir.
go for general information which is common for both banks. Pritika, please read. RBI Governor.
Yes, sir.
No, your
RBI
internet is
Governor Mr. Sanjay Malhotra.
your internet is not all right. Let me go to somebody whose internet is okay. Who is on Wi-Fi? You have got good speed.
So is it now okay?
Santan Deep. Santan Deep, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Santan Deep, your internet is okay?
Yes, sir. I think it's good, sir.
Very
Am I
good.
audible to you, sir?
You are audible. Where do you stay now?
Sir, I am staying in Andhra Pradesh, Chittoor, sir.
Acha. You are studying in VIT.
Yes, sir.
Good.
I am
Please
for
read.
Federal Bank, sir.
I know. Please read. All this is information useful for you. Please read. RBI Governor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. RBI Governor, Mr. Sanjay Malhotra. DY Governors of RBI, MD Patro,
what is the degree you
Rajeshwar
are
Rao.
doing? What is the degree you are doing? Excuse
Sir,
me.
computer science and engineering with specialization in business analytics, sir.
Yeah, but that is why you are doing it like this. DY governor नहीं बोलना है. Deputy governor. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because
Deputy
yeah,
Governor of RBI,
one
MD
minute. I am
Petro.
correcting. I am correcting it. I am having this for the last nearly 1 year or 2 year. Nobody read like you. DY governor, deputy governor.
Sorry,
Mix पढ़ो ना. బాగా చదవండి.
sorry.
Deputy governors
Okay,
of
sir.
RBI.
Deputy Governors of RBI, MD Petro, Rajeshwar Rao, Ravi Shankar, Janakiraman Swaminathan,
Good. Continue.
and
Federal Bank
MD and
details.
CEO of Federal Bank. Yes, sir. KVS Manian, Federal Bank Chairman, AP Hota, and number of happy customers 1 crore 92 lakh plus. Number of
And
banking
1 minute.
outlets
1 minute. Wait.
1500 and
1 minute. Wait. Karnataka Bank people, you must prepare such details for your bank. Please prepare. One of you, if you prepare and post in our group, I will copy and put it here also. Please continue. Number of happy customers. Okay. Next.
number of happy customers 1 crore 92 lakh plus. Number of banking outlets 1545. ATMs 1440. Cash recyclers 606. Executive Directors of Federal Bank Mrs. Shalini Warrior, Mr. Harsh Dugar.
Continue. All this is important. Read.
Repo rate 6.5%. Bank rate and marginal standing facility 6.75%. Standing deposit facility 6.25%. Reverse repo rate 3.35%. Cash reserve ratio 4.4% of NDTI.
ND,
Statutory liquidity
listen,
ratio.
listen, it is NDTL.
NDTL. Okay, sir. NDTL.
Means net
Statutory liquidity
demand
ratio.
and time liabilities. Net
Okay, sir.
demand, I have given it here. Continue.
Net demand time liabilities. Statutory liquidity ratio 18% of net demand timeline. Net demand and timeline liabilities. Demand deposits SB and current account. Time deposits, fixed deposits, and recurring deposit. Also
Very
also know about RB. Also know
read.
about RBI functions. Bankers to bank. Bankers to government. Note issuing authority. Foreign exchange control. Monetary policy authority. RBI will increase repo rate when inflation is more than
Hello,
6%.
hello. What
Desired
is it?
inflation.
Hello. What is that? What is the word?
Sir,
What is this word?
inflation.
What did you tell?
Inflation, sir.
You told inflammation.
No, sir.
Inflammation means
Inflation. I said.
inflammation means bada vada. Big, making big.
Yes,
That
sir.
doesn't matter. I am not making fun of you, but this is what is happening while reading, while talking. But Federal Bank wants people who are good in English. That is why I told
Okay,
you
sir.
you must join my group, learn, study, discuss, speak. మన అందరకు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో
Okay, sir.
మాట్లాడ రాదు. ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడ రాదు ఎందుకంటే మనందరూ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నాము. ఆ డిఫికల్టీ ఉంటే మీకు ఈ జాబ్
Yes, sir.
దొరకను. దానికోసమే నేను చెప్పాము మీరు ప్లీజ్ కమ్ టు అస్. ప్లీజ్ రీడ్. RBI will
Okay, sir.
increase.
RBI will increase repo rate when inflation is more than 6%.
Mm.
Desired inflation rate 4% plus or minus 2. That is 2% to 6%.
Okay, read.
Also know about SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, Headquarters Mumbai, Chairperson Mrs. Ma- Madhabi Puri Bach.
Which
About IRD Buch. About IRDAI, Hyderabad Chairman Debashish Panda.
good. These are sure short questions for any bank interviews. Please read.
Okay, sir. What do you know about Federal Bank, IDBI, or Karnataka Bank?
Wait, I will explain.
Why you
For
want?
this, listen. For this question, all of you must be in a position to answer. This bank was started in the year so and so, only year by so and so. In the case of a federal bank, they will say KP Hormis. And in the case of a Karnataka bank, some Achar or something, that name, please search it. You should tell that person's name, founder of so and so. Then you should tell immediately who is the present MD and CEO of the bank, and who is the chairman, and this much you should tell. Then you should tell how many bank branches are there, how many ATMs are there, how many cash recyclers are there, and how many happy customers are there. This point you should tell. You should not talk about history. Then you should tell about the figures we studied now. As on 30th September, total deposit advances, then profit, net profit. That alone you tell. After telling that, if you remember any of the awards received by them, you can see it in the website. These two are the main awards they have received. Then you should also tell corporate social responsibility activities done by them. If you tell that, it will be, you would have crossed 50% of your answer. Afterwards, they may ask some details about the bank. Then you should tell. For example, in the case of Federal Bank, you see the questions asked are all given in these pages. We will go through that. From there, we can know. So this is how you have to tell about your bank. You should not talk history. I hope all of you follow this. Yeah. Now, I will ask somebody else to read now. Vaishnavi, you have good internet. Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
you are speaking from where? Which place are you staying now?
Yeah, actually, I'm from Kalbuti, Karnataka, sir.
Acha, you are going for Karnataka Bank interview?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please read this. Why you want to join?
Oh, yes, sir. I'll read from that. Why you want to join Federal Bank or the IDBI or Karnataka Bank, which you're
Yeah.
going? And
Now,
what-
for this question, the problem is I am telling you many times in the videos, but you should not tell the same reason, because if everybody is going to talk the same thing, they will say why you are all telling the same thing. So now tell me what answer you will give for this question. Vaishnavi, what
Yes,
is
sir.
your degree? What is your degree?
So I have completed MSc in agriculture, sir.
Ore Baba, super. Then first question for you is they will ask you why you are coming from agriculture to this post, PO post.
Yes.
Why are you not joining as AFO? Did I give you agriculture questions to you or not?
Yes, sir, sir. I have received it.
Yeah, yeah. Now, what is the answer you are going to give for this question? Why do you want to join our bank, and that too as PO?
Okay. Since this was the only opportunity I have got this year, and I would like to answer it in this way that
Are
there
you
will be a
are you a native of Karnataka or which place?
yes, sir, Karnataka.
Then tell me in Kannada language. Why you want to join Karnataka Bank?
ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೇ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್.
And you can
ಮೂಲಕ
also you can also say that Karnataka Bank gives a very good career prospects for officers, and it is a growing bank, and I see my future as very good. So I want to come and join Karnataka Bank.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
See, actually, people are really happy about serving in Karnataka Bank. I have talked to many officers, many clerks. They are very happy. Okay, continue. Next question. What is the difference?
Yes, sir. What is the difference between Canara Bank and Federal Bank or IDBI Bank?
Or Karnataka Bank? The difference is, though that one is public sector bank, this is a private sector bank. Public sector bank is one where government holds 51% and more share capital. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
That alone you say that is sufficient. But when they tell about State Bank of India, you can say State Bank of India is a public sector bank. Not only that, it is one of the topmost public sector banks in our country. And it is one of the domestically systemic important bank, DSIB. That is HDFC, ICICI, and State Bank are considered as domestically systemic important bank, because if this bank is running into problem, it will totally affect the economy of the country. Similarly, in the case of insurance companies, we have Life Insurance Corporation, New India Assurance Company, then General in GIC. These three are considered as domestically systemic important insurance companies. You must know that. Vaishnavi, continue.
Yes, sir. Products of IDBA or Federal Bank, like deposit, advances, digital,
Yeah,
parabanking.
you also add your Karnataka Bank whenever you are reading this. Okay, continue. Awards received.
Awards received by Federal Bank or IDBI Bank or Karnataka Bank. And CSR activities of your bank. And what is tax and vision and mission. What are core values?
This question is only for Federal Bank. This is
Okay.
only for Federal Bank, because in there, I have given it here, you see. This is only for
Yes.
Federal Bank. Yeah, next.
Latest news about your bank. Tell about financial figures
Super.
plus other searching.
Vaishnavi, I really like you because you have rightly said your bank. That will do. Anybody can use this. Continue.
Yes, sir. And tell the 5 current affairs like in state or other state about relating banking and economy. And
Why your sound is breaking? Are you sitting inside house or outside house? Please sit near balcony so that you have good signal.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Continue.
Yes, sir. And we have to study about union ministers list and state cabinet ministers list about our state.
About your state means 1 ministers, 2 number of districts, then
Yes.
number of Lok Sabha seats, number of assembly seats, number of council seats.
Yes, sir.
Then what you should know, in your state, which industry is famous, which crops are famous.
Okay.
Then in your district, which crops are cultivated more, which industries are there, who are the famous personalities living. Okay,
Yes, sir.
continue. Neighboring states also.
Yes.
Then This is how the questions are being asked in interviews. Tell me about yourself, about your bank products. Why did you choose MBA after BSc? About the gap year. What is the role of sales and acquisition officer? In the case of Karnataka Bank, put what is the role of the probationary officer? More or less same. You also will have targets. You also must go for canvassing and try to get new clientele. Then about internship, then loan product related questions. Especially agriculture candidate, you must go through the website of Karnataka Bank. This is Karnataka Bank. I am showing you that you people must go through the website. First thing is one, you must know at least the name of important schemes. Then you should familiarize yourself with 2 or 3 schemes out of this. For example, what are the various accounts they have? Savings accounts. That alone will do. Savings account. Among this, you please try to know SB instant savings account. They say it is popular. Please get to know about it. Okay. Then please get to know about KBL Vanita, Woman Savings Account. Please note down, all of you, these 2 things. You should know details also. Details means you should click that and read further details. Yesterday, I posted a video regarding Vanita. Please go through. Next, come to fixed deposit. Regarding fixed deposit, let me tell you briefly. One, fixed deposit is an account where a fixed amount is deposited for a fixed period. It will start from 7 days to 10 years. The interest rate, I want you to see what is the interest rate maximum offered by them in their deposit. You can get it from the website. And in the case of senior citizens, they will offer 0.50% more interest. And here, in the case of fixed deposit, you can foreclose it, in which case you will get lesser rate of interest. If you want to take a loan, you can take 90% loan. Then if these 2 things you can tell. The deposit can be opened in the name of one person or 2 or 3 persons or in the name of companies also. In the case of deposits, you can get loan only from the same bank. Another bank will not give loan against it. Next one, recurring deposit means minimum 6 months, maximum 10 years. Here you have to remit same installment every month. And if you fail to remit, penal charges will be levied. Penalty will be levied. And at the end of the period, the money will be paid back to you along with interest. In the case of FD, interest is payable every quarter, 3 months. Or if you want, you can make it cumulative also, so that interest also will get same rate of interest. Could you follow this? Not only that, I want you to go through Abudaya cash certificate. Please go through that. Next, come to cards. You should know what is a debit card, what is a credit card. Debit card is same as ATM card. Both are same. Using debit card, first of all, let me, these questions also, they ask. In a debit card, the number is 16 digits. On the face of it, you will have a chip which will contain details of your account, so that when this card is inserted in ATM, it will be able to access your SB account. On the face of the debit card and the credit card, you will have the name of the bank that is issuing card, then the name of the person for whom card is issued, and the expiry date of the card. These details will be given to you. On the reverse, you will have a 3-digit number that is known as CVV, card verification value. And this is for identification purposes. Same thing for a debit card and credit card. A debit card is used when you have balance in your account, and no other charges will be levied on the debit card used, excepting when you are drawing fund from ATMs. Nowadays, each bank allows 5 transactions per month from other bank ATMs. In the case of our own bank ATM, you can withdraw any number of times. This is debit card. But a credit card means you will be putting an application for credit card to the bank. Bank will go through your salary certificate, income tax certificate, bona fides, Aadhaar card, and PAN card, and all that. After that, they will give you a limit, say 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs. So, using that limit, you can withdraw money from bank, in which case you have to pay interest from day one. You can use a debit card for buying commodities online, for buying commodities in shops, in which case every month you will get a statement of account from the bank giving you due date for you to pay the money. And if you pay the money before the due date, no interest need be paid. If you are not paying before the due date, you have to pay very huge interest, like 3% per month and all that. So this much about credit card. On the back of credit card also, you will have 3-digit CVV. This much will do for credit card. Coming to loans, please know, Karnataka Bank is very fond of these loans. Home loan, KBL Express Home Loan, please study about that. Read about it. They are happy about KBL Car Express Loan. Please read about that. Similarly, KBL property loan means they are happy about Suvidha overdraft loan. What it is, please study. Study what is personal loan, education loan, gold loan. I don't know what is this Ravi Kiran loan, then equip loan. Please go through broadly what it is. You must be able to recollect the names of the loans and tell salient features of that loan. Then coming to insurance, if you click life insurance, you will know with which companies they have arrangement. Same thing health, same thing general. Why banks are canvassing insurance? Because they will get commission. Then investments, about mutual funds with whom they have arrangements. So they canvass, they will get commission. Then you should know about Atal Pension Yojana. What is the age in which it can be opened, and what is the maximum pension you will get? Please read it. I will ask in interviews. I don't know why nobody is asking question about NPS, but it is good you get to know about that also. If you don't know much, what you do, you go to Chat GPT and type this. It will give you some 10 lines content. Please mug it up. Same thing for all other things also. National Pension System, Sovereign Gold Bond, then KBL Samriddhi, Demat online trading. Demat account is used for buying and selling shares. Then under payment, bill payment, this and all not much important except fast tag and positive pay system. Please study about that. Then this is safe deposit locker. What is safe deposit locker facility? You must know that suddenly it has gone. Doesn't matter. So these are the things you have to know about Karnataka Bank. Same thing, boys from Federal Bank, you must read all these things from their websites, get to know the details so that you can answer the questions they ask you. So, this is what it is. Today, we have done up to this particular this thing, say page number 6. Tomorrow, when we go, we will start from page number 6. And in fact, my expectation is when you come for the class, you go through the questions and you must be able to answer me these questions, right or wrong. Please practice your ability to talk confidently in group so that you'll be able to talk well in your interview also. Thank you so much. What is the time now? 10:30, na? Yeah. Is it 10:30 in India now? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very
Sir,
good. Yeah, tell
sir,
me any doubts. Yeah.
I just joined today only. So, sir, can you please tell me where will I get the recording of previous classes and the relevant material?
Akash, I have given you the links, na?
No, sir. You just
You are join.
shared the link
Oh,
of
acha,
this
class link.
class only.
Acha, acha. Because you
Uh,
came after my class started. Don't worry. I will go and have my breakfast now. I am staying in California. After my
okay.
breakfast, safe after half an hour or so, I will send you that and I will send you the link of all the videos I have posted and I will give you all the materials you have to study. And if you watch the videos I'll be posting today, yesterday, and all, you will know how you have to prepare. You will have to join 2 WhatsApp groups. You are going for which interview?
Karnataka Bank, sir.
Yeah, you have to join first those 2 groups, and after joining the groups, you will be getting everyday newspapers also. You must read that newspaper also. Every day from 8:30 to 9:30, I will be conducting mock interview for selected candidates. You can observe that and you can also attend such classes as this one from 9:30 to 10:10. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is what it is. Now, Mr. Akash, you have remitted money now, and
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yeah, so
606
tell me
rupees,
first five numbers. Tell me.
70154.
Okay, sufficient. I will get in touch with you. Don't worry. Thank you. And if you don't get anything, if you want any doubts, you can always come to my class at 9:30 p.m.
Okay, sir. So now only one class is going on.
Only one class. Only 25 people are there in our group. And out of that also, only 5, 10 people come. Today only 11 people have come. Normally people don't come. They think they can read by what I have given, but they don't read that also. That is the problem I am facing. But I can't do anything.
Okay.
I can only
And
cut.
sir, my interview is on 5th of February. So
So I
when
will
will
give
I
I
get
will give
to?
you I will give you dates. 1 minute. Hold on. Yours is 5th of February. So are
Yes, sir.
you today is 25. So can you take a mock on 30th January morning 7:15 a.m.
7:15 a.m. 30th January.
Hmm.
Sir, okay, I'll prepare for it.
You want me to postpone it?
Sir, can I get any timings in the afternoon, like
Afternoon?
7:30 in the morning?
No, I am there in California. I will be sleeping in your afternoon.
Okay, okay. That is okay. Then I'm comfortable. I'll give, sir.
30th, okay, or you want me to postpone it?
No, sir, 30th, okay.
30th, 7:15 a.m. Akash, number first five, number 70154. Please send a message to me confirming 30th January, 7:15 a.m. Your interview date what?
5th of February.
I will give your second mock on 3rd February, 9 p.m. Rath.
Okay, sir.
Please send
3rd
a message.
February.
Please send a message confirming it.
3rd February, 9:15
9
p.m.
o'clock. 3rd February, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. Any other
Thank
question for others, candidates?
Sir, could you
Otherwise,
I
please?
had one question.
yeah,
Sir, I wanted to ask you that whether we can be asked a sales pitch question.
sure. 100%. You are from Federal Bank. You are
Yes,
going
sir.
for definitely they will ask sales
Yes, sir.
pitch. Sales pitch means they will tell you how will you get me 100 savings account in 1 week? How
But
will you
sir, I'm not
how will
from a marketing background. Is
you
that,
have
I
to
mean, still they can ask me.
you have to study. You have to study
Okay, sir.
marketing materials and nothing else is required. Go to chat GPT and just put a question, marketing of bank products strategies. It will tell you a brief idea. Prepare
Okay, sir.
or watch my previous videos, Federal Bank successful candidates videos. You may get some idea. Okay. Sales pitch question is a definite question. Please sell the water bottle, sell the pen, sell the smartphone. How will you market our home loan? How will you market our savings bank account? In Karnataka Bank, they are asking about FD. How will you market for FD? Like that. You have to be prepared for that. You can do that only if you know the salient features of that scheme. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, is it? It is Samrin.
Yes, sir.
Samrin, you are very good in English. For you, no problem. You just study some of these things and you can talk nicely. No problem.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other question for others?
Sir, could you tell me about the advances from the ECGC to the bank and about the post shipment again? I am not able to recollect it, if you don't
Yep.
mind.
See, actually, in the case of banks, they give you packing credit advances, that is pre-shipment advances. Post-shipment credit, they give you in the form of purchase of bills negotiated. Not only that, banks also give you letter of credit. Banks also give guarantees. But the connection with ECGC is that whatever export credits that banks are making, they will be reporting it in they will be reporting it in their monthly statements to ECGC, giving details of credits made and make payment of premium. These these accounts will be covered by ECGC, and ECGC will recognize the claim once they are made. That is the only connection between ECGC and banks. But ECGC, you go to the website and see what are the various policies they are issuing to exporters. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I think have I given you foreign exchange material or not?
Yes, sir. You have provided it.
Acha, why don't you send it to me? Please send that to me again. Because today
Okay,
one
sir.
candidate came and I conducted an interview. He was blinking whether it is there or not with him. You please send it to me. I will send it to him or post it in our group also.
Sure, sir. I would forward it to you.
Thank you. Bye. In that book
Thank you, sir.
also, all these details are given.
Okay, sir. I would go through it.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. We will meet again officially. See, you can see me online in Zoom tomorrow, 26th, from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30. Some boy will be taking interview or not. I'll be there online. And you can see me online from 8:30 p.m. tomorrow. But you can discuss with me from 9:30 p.m. Thank you. But the best thing is I have put all of you into group so that you can interact among yourself. Here there are so many VIT fellows sitting here itself. You people must have confidence in others and try to discuss them during daytime, common time, and try to improve your banking knowledge, improve your current affair knowledge, improve your, say, economy knowledge, improve your ability to answer about your family, about your native place, about Federal Bank. All these things you must practice.
Sir, is that a bank interview to Karnataka Federal
No,
that
no,
you are
both.
saying?
That group is combination of both. It has Karnataka Bank people. It has Federal Bank people also. So you
Okay, okay.
simply ask for Federal Bank. Um, uh, I am also from for Federal Bank from so and so college. Please tell me whether we can discuss at a common time, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. You ask, others will come and join.
Sir, is there any other group that only consists of Federal Bank?
No, no, I have not made because number of people are very less, say about 6 or 7 only.
Okay, okay, sir.
There is
I
no
will get in
separate
touch.
group.
I will
Yeah,
get in touch.
you
Sure.
you will get. Who is speaking now? Arvansh.
Yes, sir.
Arvansh. Samrin is from our
Federal Bank.
VIT. Then
Okay.
Akash is from VIT. Karthik, you are also for Federal, na?
Yes, sir.
No,
See,
sir, I'm not.
so
Sir, VIT means?
Vellore Institute of Technology.
No, sir, I'm not from VIT.
No, no,
Akash.
sir is
Akash.
asking, are you preparing for Federal or not?
I'm preparing for Karnataka Bank.
Acha,
Okay.
acha. Karnataka Bank means no problem. Karnataka Bank, there are 25, totally there are 25 candidates for Federal Bank. There are 6 or 7 candidates for Federal Bank. Because Federal Bank, what happens? They come and they go in the next week itself. They don't stay for long. But this Karnataka Bank people will be there for 1 month in one form or other because their interview is going for till 20th of February and all. So that's what it is. So it is your initiative. If you cannot find a person from your own group, then how are you going to canvass deposits for your bank? समझ गया?
Sure, sir. I will find it out.
But one thing, only very please try to talk only about interview and about banking and not other issues which because if you talk other issues, boys and girls, there will be some problem. I know girls are capable of managing, but still let me caution you, let me not be a party for putting you into problems. But last year, what a few months back, what happened in Federal Bank? Nearly about 200 people joined my group, and I put them, and they formed subgroups among themselves. 5, 10 people, subgroups. Every day they will meet at the same time and discuss. They all succeeded. 62 people are now officers in Federal Bank through selection recently. So please study, group study. That is the advantage of you are coming to our group. You must
Sure,
try
sure.
to manage your time. You must try to manage your classes and then participate in this. Girls, if you want, join with girls. Boys, if you want, join with boys. And if you have got confidence, you can mingle and also study. Thank you.